Hello there, welcome to my channel Drawing Tutorials in Kids series. Are you ready to learn how to draw? Today we will be going through a step-by-step guide on how to draw a cute grizzly, panda and ice bear from We Bear Bears. So let's get started. But first, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. So I'm going to start drawing bears. For that you can make 3 ovals. So here I am starting with the marker. You can use your pencil to draw first so that you can erase if it gets wrong. Like this. Its ears and his tail and his cute nose. So now we will do the next one. Like this. Like this you can join. Now make his tail here and is another leg. Now I'm going to make a stripe here. His ears. One more stripe and one more legs which is hidden here. Now we will draw eyes. His eyes are round like this and one it goes like this. We'll make a dot here and we'll draw nose and his mouth. Now the last one. For the last one, we'll make his body first. Here its ears. Now its legs. Like this. Now it's tail. Oh, it's another yes. Here, his eyes like a dot. And then his cute nose. Small little mouth. So we have finished drawing. Now let's start it with colors. So we don't need much color. Our bear is brown. The first one is brown, so we will color it brown here. Finally, we colored our bear's Congratulations! You have just learned how to draw grizzly, panda, and ice bear. So keep practicing and have fun with your drawing. Let's join me in the next lesson. Thank you.